Metropolis is doomed without Superman. That boy is trapped on the railroad tracks, and the train's coming. And the dam's about to collapse.
Great Caesar's ghosts! Kent, I need you to get down there and cover that story.
Right away, Chief.
Don't call me Chief.
Hey, he looks a lot like Superman.
Couldn't be. He's wearing glasses. And besides, there's Superman right there.
That train's so close, and the dam's about to break.
What's that? Up in the sky.
It's a bird.
It's a plane.
It's Superman.
Gotham thirsts for justice. This city needs us to wash away the filth. I can do it, but I'll need your help, Gordon.
I'll do what I can. Just tell me what you need, Batman. Batman? Seriously?
Can the Caped Crusader save Gotham? Will the Man of Steel get to the bridge in time? Find out next episode. This looks like a job for Caped Pint glasses. Buy them now at vat19.com.
vat19.com